Hello friends, this video is created by Siddharth Upadhyay, founder and creator of PrepWings. Log on to www.prepwings.com for complete free course videos. Okay, in this video we'll talk about quadratic graphs. Okay, so we are shown a quadratic equation below. It says y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Now the graph of the quadratic is a parabola. Okay, a parabola of the above graph is shown here. So a parabola is this kind of a shape which is shown. Okay. Okay. So the parabola for the equation y equal to ax square plus bx plus c is symmetrical about x equal to minus b by 2a. Okay. X equal to minus b by 2a will give me a line which is parallel to the y-axis. Okay. So for example, the parabola is given as y is equal to x square minus x minus 6. Okay. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 6. Okay. So now if we have to find the line of symmetry for this parabola, we'll apply x equal to minus b by 2a. Okay. So b is minus 1 here and a is 1 here for the parabola y equal to x square minus x minus 6. Okay. So the parabola will be symmetrical about x is equal to minus of minus 1 divided by 2 into 1, okay, which gives us x equal to half. Okay. So the graph for y is equal to x square minus x minus 6 is shown below. Okay. This parabola is symmetrical about x equal to half. Okay. Now the graph of y equal to ax square plus bx plus c opens upward if a is positive and opens downward if a is negative. Okay, so when a is greater than 0, the graph opens upwards, and when a is less than 0, the graph opens downwards. Okay. Also, there are few important points regarding quadratic graphs. So let there be a quadratic y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Now, if this graph cuts x-axis at two different points, okay, then the roots of this equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are real and distinct. Okay, so keep in mind, if this graph is cutting the x-axis at 2 points, so if any point on x-axis has y is equal to 0, okay, so what that means is if this graph is cutting the axis at 2 points, that means when y is equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c is 0. I will have two different values of x. Okay, so that is why the roots of this equation will be then real and distinct. Okay. Now if the quadratic graph cuts the x-axis at a single point, okay, then ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 will have only one root, which is basically the roots will then be real and equal. Okay, because there's only one point, there's only one x coordinate for which y coordinate is 0. Okay, so the roots of this equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 will be real and equal. Okay. Now if the quadratic does not cut the x-axis at any point, so what does that mean? That means that when y is equal to 0, there are no real values of x. Okay, so what this means is that the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are not real. Okay, so this is all about quadratic graphs. Thanks a lot for watching this video.